What's up, guys? So I wanted to let you guys know this is going to be a very short video that I'm just going to make my points very clear. So I wanted to tell you this, that when it comes to trading, this is something that you don't hear every day. When it comes to trading, right, the imperfections in the chart is imperfect, because I know most people come to the market to trade and they're looking for the perfect higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low to confirm an uptrend, right? But what I'm trying to tell you guys now is that when the imperfections of the market is actually where the opportunity comes from. Let me show you let me show you guys what I mean in the chart so it makes more sense, right? So let's say you are a trader and you are seeing a higher high, a high here, higher low, price comes a higher high, right? It gives a higher low, probably higher high, right? And then all of a sudden price comes and takes out these lows here, right? Or takes out these lows here. My point to you is that this imperfection here is actually what brings about the opportunity, right? Now, what I'm trying to tell you is that just because price took out these lows here does not mean that this uptrend is now invalid, right? Price takes out this low, you can still take a buy. Takes out this low, you can still take a buy because this uptrend is still valid, right? It just depends on the situation, the scenario, the trend. As long as you're in an uptrend here, you've been in an uptrend for a long time and then this is going on and then price just makes this quick move, breaks out of this low and this low, that does not make this uptrend invalid. What I'm trying to tell you is that this is actually where the opportunities in the market comes from, because we know for a fact that there were sellers under these levels and there were sellers under these levels. Now price has successfully taken these sellers out and taking these ones out as well, and that is where most of the best opportunities in the market comes from, right? The way I trade most of the time, most of my trades comes from looking for a buys, probably above here in terms of ICC, because ICC, if you have watched my videos, you know what ICC is. So most of my trade comes from me simply just waiting for price to come back above here, and I'm looking for a buys to target these highs again. So the whole point that I'm trying to make to you guys is that just because price took out this low and this low does not mean that the uptrend is now invalid. For an uptrend to be invalid, you need price to do something like for an uptrend to be invalid, you need price to do something like take out, when it took out these lows, correct itself, and you need to take out these lows again, right? This is what now makes you confirm that okay, there might be a shift in trend and you can now start looking for sells on the correction. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Just because price took out this low and this low does not make the uptrend invalid. You need to give the price some time to do what it wants to do. You need extra confirmations to now change trend. As long as price is an uptrend, when price takes out these lows and takes out this low, it doesn't matter, because we know for a fact that sellers are under these levels and also they're under this level. So this might actually be price taking out liquidity to then push price all the way back up. So that's what I'm trying to teach you guys today. Hope you learned something and have a great day.